YouTube Shorts are a popular platform for creating content with over 50 billion views daily. To create a YouTube Short, users can use the dedicated utility on the YouTube mobile app or their own video editing software. The platform recognizes YouTube Shorts when uploaded and offers various ways to access them, including on the homepage, in the Shorts section, subscription feed, channel homepage, search bar, and the Shorts tab. To create a YouTube clip, users can select the plus icon at the top of the screen, followed by Create Short. This button captures video and displays a record time remaining. Users can add popular music and sound to their shorts, which is free of copyright claims after joining the YouTube Partner Program. Mobile videos can also be uploaded to YouTube Shorts, but they may be subject to copyright claims if they contain licensed music. To modify a YouTube clip, users can use the X icon to permanently delete or save it, and the checkbox in the bottom right corner to make additional edits. Uploading content to YouTube, whether public or private, ensures proper processing and review. Users engage with YouTube Shorts rapidly, navigating through large numbers of shorts, performing standard actions like favorites, comments, and shares. The description window is hidden behind three dots in the upper right corner of the screen, and the audio source is listed in the bottom right corner. YouTube Shorts have their own analytics section within the YouTube Studio, providing a comprehensive compilation of data for both desktop and mobile devices. To generate revenue from YouTube Shorts, creators must have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views over the past 3 months. However, CPMs for Shorts are lower than long-form content, and obtaining hundreds of dollars requires tens of millions of views.